Chisom, what is the meaning of this?
What is right?
Do not try this next time because you will not meet me well.
If you forget it, then I hate challenges.
And you know I love challenges so much.
Do not push me to a fight.
I love to watch you try. Bring the woman.
The gods that I met you. I was actually coming to your hut.
Is everything okay?
No. There's a very big problem for me.
What is that?
It's about Neche.
Neche? What has she done this time?
She has succeeded in taking my man away from me.
She did what?
Yes. She casted a spell on him right in front of me and took him away.
Neche, why do you find so much joy in causing other people pain?
Please, Great One, help me. Help me, please. I cannot afford to lose my Ikem. We're about to get married. Please help me.
It's a pity I cannot help you.
Why? Why, Great One? I cannot lose my Ikem just like that. Please help me.
Neche is using dark powers. And she cannot be fought unprepared. If I have to fight her, then I have to get very, very prepared.
So what am I going to do now?
Listen, I will get Ikem back for you.
Thank you.
But you have to go home and relax. Do not be afraid.
Thank you. I trust you. Thank you very much. I'll be leaving. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Neche, when will you grow human heart? This complaint is getting too much.
Greetings, the only great priestess of our land. Greetings.
Greetings to you too.
And where is my beautiful priestess heading to, if I may ask?
I'm going to the forest.
Oh, forest. Sorry, to do what?
To do my business, of course.
Okay, to do your business. Priestess, sorry, can I go with you? Yes, I'm free today, so I can go with you to the forest, if you don't mind.
I do not like people following me around. I like to be alone.
I understand, my priestess, I understand. But I want to go with you to the forest so I can protect you. Yes, I believe you need some protections. Please.
And need I remind you that I am the greatest priestess of all time, of your time.
Yes, I know. I know. Pardon me, my priestess, but I think you need the protection of a man to understand. You go into the forest, and the forest is very dangerous, like you know.
And who is the man?
Of course I am.
You?
Yes, my priestess.
Don't flatter yourself.
My priestess, I need to go with you. You know why? If it is to fight, if there's any harm in the forest and we need to fight, we'll fight together. Yes, and if we need to run, we'll run together. The most important thing is that we are together. What do you think?
Funny.
My princess, please. I mean no harm. I just want to follow you to the forest. That's just it.
Enough. If you're going to come with me, then you have to be quiet.
You know I'm not a man of too much words.
Your time starts now.
That's the one we go regard it.
Of course, I am always welcome. With me here is a new person that will be joining you. What did you say to me? Join them!
Mo combine Neche.
I am a queen. The queen of queens. Nobody can match my power. Not in this lifetime.
Before we forget, we prepare the food you ask us to.
Get it. For I am hungry. I want to take my bath after eating. Move. And you, go clear my farm, for it is still bushy. Matthew, for now, you are my favorites. Until I replace you. For now, you are my favorite. Until I replace you.
Yes, my queen.
Come to me.
Yeah.
Come. Closer. Just my kind. Tonight will be so long. Dance for me.
Stop crying. This your crying is becoming too much. Don't tell me to stop crying. Don't tell me. How can I stop crying when my Ikem is in the captivity of that Neche? The only source of my happiness is with her, and you want me to stop crying. I know, but crying will not solve it. It will only make you sick. Let me fall sick. Ugochi, let me fall sick. It will not be compared to what she will be doing to my Ikem. Do you know she will be sleeping with my man, my Ikem? And you know I hate seeing my Ikem with other maidens. Talk more of having an intimacy with that evil Neche. I know, Oh, please, just stop crying. No. Remember, my husband is also a victim of her evil deeds. I've learned to live with my pain. Because I know one day we will all be free from her evil deeds. When will that day be? Tell me when. When? Answer me, when will that day be? Remember, we still have Zaram. Zaram is still trying to find out how to free our husbands. I am tired of waiting. I need solution quickly. I am tired, Ugochi, I am tired. I am tired, I need my man back. I am tired. Please stop crying. Please. Stop crying. Stop. The ghost will definitely hear our cry. Please. I can't live without my kid. I want him back.
Why am I feeling this way? I do not want to believe that I am falling for him. No. It cannot be. A whole me? I can't stoop so low to love him. But this is getting real. His smile melts my heart, and I am going insane for that. Should I tell him? No, I cannot do that. It would reduce my pride. But what if another maiden takes him away from me? I doubt if I can take the heartbreak. Anyways, I'm not going to tell him myself. Does he even know that I love him? I think he does. He's only pretending. The way he looks at me, that should mean something. But I cannot explain whether it is true love or it's just been natural.
Greetings to the prettiest I've ever seen.
What do you want here?
I brought you this.
And what is that?
Food. I prepared it myself.
And since when did you start bringing me food? Are you trying to say I do not have enough food in my hut?
No, I am not trying to say you don't have enough food. It is just an act of generosity.
Take your generosity somewhere else. I am not interested.
I'm sorry. You sound worried. Are you okay? You mind sharing it with me?
And who are you? What makes you think you are in the right position to know what I think?
I'm your friend, am I not? And that put me in position to want to know what you're thinking.
I am not your friend. I am nobody's friend. Now leave.
Are you trying to chase me like Neche?
I said leave!
Zaram, you are a kind, loving, and caring person. You're not like Neche.
Leave at once! I have something to do and I want to be left alone.
Are you trying to say I am disturbing you or I'm a distraction? Fine. It's okay, I will leave. I will. But I'm sorry if I did anything bad to you. Please forgive me.
No man should ever see my weakness.
What's your problem? What's your problem, man? What's your problem? Why will you scare me like that? And you're even laughing.
Of course. I like the look of fear in your eyes. So you can be scared like this.
Nah, who is it that will not be afraid?
Someone that is in love with Zaram should not be afraid.
What do you mean?
Simple.
Well, I don't understand.
It means that you should be bold enough to face anything that comes to you because you are in love with the priestess.
Why will you say that? And who told you that I like that?
Listen, my name is Chisom. I know everything that happens in this world. Look, it might not be obvious to others, but it's very obvious. And I can tell you for free that from the look on your face, it's obvious that you're just coming from a compound. And to add salt to the injury, she rejected you and rejected your gift.
Have you been following me? No, I want to understand.
Maybe or maybe not. Well, I am here to tell you that there is nothing you do or say that will make me cheat out of yours.
Why would you say so?
Because she's mine. And mine.
And where did this marriage take place? In the air or beneath the sea?
Well, you can laugh all you want, But I advise you to save this your laugh for later. Because it will eventually turn to tears. Garam is mine. Mine and mine forever. There's nothing you or anyone can do about it.
The problem is you're looking very serious lately. I'm fine. I'm mine forever. You know something I've noticed about you? You are a man of many words. You talk too much. You talk like women. I'll let it be. Let's just watch. See what happens. Grow up. Grow up.
Nothing on earth will make me forget you, Neche. Oh, Neche. Eh? Whatever you bound has been bounded. Whatever you unbound, if you say we should unbound it, we unbound it. Neche, who will challenge your authority? Nobody. Don't worry, come. Move. Neche, nothing on earth will make me change my life towards you. I support you and I will continue to support you. Yeah, you move. Stop it.
Neche's evil deed is getting out of hand. Something needs to be done about it before she kills all of us. What are we going to do?
Saram is not ready to fight yet. And the elders, they are more evil than we thought.
Are they not even afraid of the gods?
Gods, is it not obvious that Neche has bribed each and every one of them? Because I could remember when they were fighting her. But now, they support her in every single thing that she does. We are in trouble, oh.
What does she even gain in taking away all our men? If she needs a man, let her find one and marry.
She is doing all these things to hurt us and to make us feel pain. No man will accept that maiden naturally because she is evil. No man.
You are right. You that still have your husband, you better hold him tight.
My sister.
Hold him tight before she snatches him away from you.
I just wish it is possible. But you know the kind of man that I am married to. My husband is very stubborn. I mean, he believes that Neche's evil dark powers will have no effect on him. Because he's a descendant of one great wizard that ever lived. Name Ifugon. Can you imagine?
Who is talking about descendants here?
Mazim?
One name, you better hold him tight. Hold him tight. Stop him from going out. Except you want to join us, who are spiritually widows. You say Ikeo.
I will try. But you know, Neche, that maiden is very sensitive and strong. I just pray to the gods that she doesn't find out.
Just stay positive. Just stay positive and prevent him from going out of the house.
What will I do? How can I hold him? But I will have to try.
Try.
Because ever since Amaka's husband was taken away from her, I have not been myself. It's Yoku.
Neche has captured the king.
You have not heard. Oh, but since yesterday. Since yesterday.
Yeah? Better hold your husband. Hold him tight.
I am trying. Yeah? It's not really easy to hold a man.
Try, just pray that the gods help us. She did go. Tight, Just see,
Papa, so you're around? Were you looking for me?
No, not really.
But Papa, I saw a new goat. Who kept the goat? The goat? Yes, I saw a new goat because I cannot remember you telling me that you want to buy a new goat. How did you notice it? Oh, were you planning to steal it? Yeah. Papa, how can you say that? Have I stolen before? Papa, have I stolen before? I never said that. I never said that. Papa, look. I might be everything. I might be bad, but I'm not a thief. I'm not a thief. I only went there to feed the old goat and I saw the new one. Asando. Oh, are you indirectly calling me, your father, a thief? Papa, how can you say that now? I did not call you a thief. Eh? I did not call you a thief. Your problem is that you've assumed things too much. Did I call you a thief? Papa, are you a thief? I am not. Well, for your information, Neche, she gave me as a gift. Eh? Yes. Papa, Neche gave you a goat? What did you do for her that she will give you a goat? Have you not been benefiting from her? The way she has been winning all the men to her side, and you frolicking with other people's women, have you not been benefiting? Yes, you are beginning. Papa, you are aware? Well, it's good. Papa, look, it's good. Now, she can take all their husbands. Okay? And you? While I take all their wives. They have no other option. They always come to me for assistance. Then it's good, Papa. Asando. It is good. It's good. Asando. Well, please, is there food in the house? I'm very hungry. Eh? I am very hungry. We are very hungry. How can you say we are hungry? I met you at home. You're saying we are hungry. Asando, you are hungry. I am hungry. We are hungry.
Where are you going to?
What is the meaning of this? Amuche.
This, I am serious. Where are you going to?
What kind of stupid question is this? You're asking me where I'm going to.
Just tell me, please. Tell me where you are going to,
Okay. If you must know, Amuche, I'm going to Mazinduka's compound. I have a message for him.
Wait now. It's okay. Just tell me what you're going to tell him. Just give me the message. I'll go and deliver it to him. I say, just give me the message. I'll go and deliver it to him because,
In Apuala. When did this one start? Amuche.
It started today, It started today. See, I just want you to sit down from now henceforth. Rest. Don't go anywhere. If you want any message or you want to go and do anything outside, just tell me. I'll be the one to do it. I don't need you to go anywhere. Biko.
Why?
Are you the one asking me this question?
Yes, now I'm asking you why.
But you know what Neche is doing to all the men in this village.
Now I get it. So this is the reason for this behavior, right?
See, it's not the time to get angry. Eh? This is very serious. So I don't want to lose you to that evil woman. Please, eh? I cannot bear it. Oh. I don't want to lose you.
Listen, Amuche. Do not worry yourself about impossible things. Neche can never get hold of me. Eh? It will never happen.
See, that woman is very strong. Oh. She is evil and she's very strong. And you know it. Eh, please, don't go.
Amuche, I know that. Have you forgotten that I'm a descendant of...
Oh, stop this, your descendant, this descendant, that. It is tiring to my ears. Even Zaram, that is a priestess, does she go around fighting Neche?
Listen, my own descendant is from a strong...
Wizard. I know, I get it. But please, just allow my decision to stand. Oh, don't go anywhere. I will take care of it. I will handle the message. Oh, Adim, Biko.
Are you serious about this?
I am very serious. I've never been this serious before and you know it now. If I don't protect my husband, who will? Because then, don't go. I'll deliver the message. Oh, come now. Come and sit down. Oh, Biko, no. Don't go, please. I will go. Eh? Just come and sit now. Di mama, just sit. Oh, sit down. Sit. Don't worry, let me just go and deliver it to him. Oh, I'm coming. Oh, come.
Sando. Hey, let me suck her. Shit.
Wait. Ozioma.
Okay.
Don't tell me that you're among these women that Osondu is going after. Huh? Eh?
Unfortunately, I am.
Cheryl, fortunately. And you are even happy about it. Eh? And here I am thinking that you are against the abomination that Osondu is committing with Neche and the other women. But no, you are among them.
Mbakwa. Biko kwa. I'm only here to enjoy myself. And once I'm done, I will leave. Okay, is it?
Are you being serious right now? What about your husband that is in the captivity of Neche? Eh?
Anako, my husband that is in captivity. What are you trying to say? So you are expecting me to hold on till when he's being released before I can enjoy myself with Osondu? Eh? Moreover, he's there with Neche, enjoying himself the way he likes. So I have every right to enjoy myself as well. Okay, is it?
Ozoma, you know too well that he is under Neche's spell. He's not in his right senses. What is wrong with you?
Like right now, I am also under Osondu's spell. And I'm not with my right senses. But Kamchikono Gibiko, what are you doing here? Have you come to join?
May the gods forbid. This is the last place that I want to be. I am only here because my husband asked me to relay a message to Mazindika. That's all.
Okay.
That is it.
I hope this does not stop our relationship. I, Ozioma, I do not care. Osondu, enjoy.
Oh,
I'll see you tomorrow. It's okay.
Machine them. Amuche.
What is it? Eh? Why are you calling my name like that?
I was only trying to get your attention.
Just go in there and call your father for me, Biko.
I should go and call my father.
Go and call your father for me now.
Is it that you are blind or you are stupid? How do you expect my father to be inside when you just saw Ozioma leave?
Well, I will not be surprised if you and your father are sleeping with the same woman. Huh? You are a bunch of immorality.
You can insult me alone, but I will not tolerate you using this your useless mouth to insult my father. Don't you dare insult my father again.
Anyway, that is none of my business. I can no longer stay here and listen to this nonsense that you're saying. You're so irritating.
Amuchi, look, I know you do not have my time, but I know you came for my father. So can we just go inside and finish
I don't understand. Leave me alone. Leave me alone! What is it? Do I have business with you? Eh? What is it?
I know you don't have business with me, but you have business with my father, but he's not around. Eh? I'm here now. Like father, like son. So let's just go inside.
Do you know what? You must be very stupid to think that I am one of those your stupid women that you go around sleeping with anywhere and anyhow you want it.
No.
Respect yourself.
No. I want you, I know that you're not stupid. Eh? That is why I don't want to sleep with you anywhere and anyhow. I want to sleep with you inside. Eh? Can we just go inside?
Leave me alone. Are you mad?
You're talking like this because your husband is still around, okay? Eh? You're saying all this thing because your husband is still around, okay?
Yes. I still have my husband. And I would never lose him. So you better respect yourself and stay very far away from me. Nonsense.
She talks too much. She talks too much. It is time for her to lose her husband a little. She will lose her husband small. Amuche, I must get you. You have. Kwagi?
Greatest for our land.
And what are you doing here?
I just greeted you and you did not reply me.
I'm sorry if I sounded rude. As you can see, I am out and in a hurry. If there's something you want to say, then go ahead and speak.
I have been meaning to ask.
Stop.
Did I do anything wrong to you?
No, you didn't. I am listening.
It's just that it's okay. By the way, as I was coming to your place, I saw Neche and the men she enslaved. They were cultivating on Obinna's land. Yes, I believe they want to take the land from him as well.
What?
I even saw Mazin Duka and Onyema. There, they were the men working on the land.
Neche. So aside taking people's husband, you want their lands too. Gods of our land. What is this?
What do you intend to do about it?
I will go and confront her. She's crossing boundaries again. And this time, this madness has to stop.
Do you think you are prepared for that?
I am not a weak priestess. Nature cannot kill me.
Okay, and what about the important place you said you were going to?
That can wait. This is more important.
So, what do you want to do?
I will confront her. Did you say you saw her? Did she see you?
Yes, she saw me, but I did not greet her. I just passed.
Don't be too carried away. She's coming for you. But don't worry. I will protect you.
Now I'm scared. Trust me, I'm scared now. Please, I don't want to fall for her dark powers. Please.
Don't worry. I will protect you.
Okay.
There's one who lies in the heart. The one the heart has chosen. The one the heart will protect. The one before the greatest. Please, make us one.
Something just entered me now. What did you put in me?
With that, I will know when you're in danger.
My long lost sister. I think I miss you. Do you really miss me or you missed our fight? I miss both. Why not? Are you trying to say me? Do not flatter yourself. Neche, I am here to warn you about your wickedness. It is affecting many people, and I can no longer look away. How sweet it is to watch people.
You take people's husband and you watch them beg?
Listen, this is the last time I will speak on this. Stop this wicked act. Chisom, you are two different people. You want to be but I want to. I've been like this a very long time. You cannot be able to stop me. I am warning you. Listen, if anyone realizes the threat if you do not stop, I will stop you. I love to watch you try.
You look worried. Anything bothering you?
Papa, there's one issue that is bothering me. I am thinking of how possible to solve it.
Okay. Well, share it with me. I'm listening.
Papa, it's about Amuche.
Amuche.
Yes, Amuche. You know her?
This boy's
Chinedu.
Chinedu's wife.
Yes, Papa.
What about
her? Papa, I have been trying to get her attention, but it's not working. It is bothering me.
Also, you are a stupid boy.
Papa, why are you laughing? I am telling you something that is bothering me and you're laughing.
So, I thought you are telling me something that will give us money and food on our table. You are talking about another man's wife. You idiot.
Papa, you know your problem.
You just rushed. You're so quick to jump into conclusion. Papa, don't you think this might benefit us?
How? How will it benefit us? Don't tell me how now.
You see what I'm saying? You cannot even look into the bright future. You have eyes, but you cannot see. Look. Just look now. Don't you know that when you tell Neche about it, she might end up giving you another gift? If you go and tell Neche that Amuche and Chinedu are still living together.
That is true. I didn't think of it like that.
I told you now, you have eyes, but you cannot see.
But you should be the one to go and tell her that both of them are living together, not me. And she will give me gifts.
Papa, can you say I should go and tell her? What if she turns me into one of her slaves? Papa, no. You should go and tell her. You should go and tell her to show that it is very important. Papa, you should go and tell her. I cannot go and tell her. She... All right. Not so bad, no problem. I will take the risk. I will go and tell her.
I don't know why I have you as my son.
Why can't you do something as a human being? That is my leg and not a wood.
I'm sorry.
Don't you get me angry.
I'm sorry. Please.
Stop sitting on my leg.
How can you be enjoying this all alone? It will not hurt if I join you, right? Pardon my manners, great one. Greetings to the almighty princess of our land. Greetings.
Did you just call me a princess? Do I look like one to you?
I'm sorry. Sorry if I said the wrong thing.
Never you in your entire life call me a princess again. I am a queen. The queen of the queens. The undefeatable.
I am sorry. I am sorry for calling you that earlier. It will never happen again.
Why are you here? Didn't you send you?
No. I came on my own.
Hey. Foolish ones. You cannot do something right. For once.
I'm sorry, great one.
Leave my sight.
I'm sorry, great one.
Leave my sight if I turn you into a dog. Leave if I turn you into a dog. Leave.
What's your own? Leave, bro. Get me.
Queen of Kings, don't mind them. I know it must be tiring, but I am very sure that you are enjoying it to the fullest. So, sorry.
But you think you can do anything you like in my compound?
I am sorry, Queen of Kings. I am sorry. It will never happen.
Now why are you here? I do not have time to waste.
The almighty Queen of Kings, I need you to complain about Amuche and the rest of my children. I mean the ones that are yet to be captured. She has been trying to hide him from you by making sure that he cannot come outside so that he will not see you.
Are you serious about this?
I dare not lie to the Queen of Queens. I am very serious.
That means I have a new job to do. Thank you very much for telling me. What if I may ask? Why are you telling me?
It's simple. Because I want Amuche all to myself. And that I useless husband, he has been the challenge that I have.
I see you're
Yes, the Queen of Kings.
I was ready to do big things.
Great one. Your food is ready.
Come. Closer. I can just remember asking you to set my food now. Can you not see I'm with someone?
Pardon me, good one. I'll bring it back when you are ready.
Show him for some.
That's why I wish you were doing. Is that not Ikem? Amaka's soon to be husband? He's the one. He's here to serve the fun.
Oh! But that settles it. The queen of kings, you can keep him here for all you want. I mean, this is exactly what I want. You know, Amaka has been proving seriously hard to catch because of this stupid Ikem. Let him remember. You know, now I can have Amaka to myself without being afraid of anyone catching us.
Are you saying in support of what I'm doing?
I am in total support of him. Keep him here. Please do not allow him to come out.
I will do whatever you want me to do.
Thank you. Thank you, the queen of queens. Thank you. I appreciate it. In fact, at this point, I can massage your leg. Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you.
I do not think I can continue like this. I need to do something in order to save Ikem from Neche. But what do I do? I think it is time for me to confront Neche one-on-one. I need to beg her, even though she might not listen to me, but I have to try my best. Yes, that is what I need to do.
Amaka? Ami? Ami, come out here. It's time for it to happen. Amaka? Amaka? Is she not at home? Why is it now that I have enough time to enjoy this her body that she will leave? What do I do now? What do I do? Should I sit and wait for her? No. I cannot sit and wait for her because I don't know when she is going to come back. Hi! I will go and come back. Yes. Because I cannot make this only opportunity of enjoying her body. I'll come back. I'll come back for you.
Why are you crying?
Ikem beats me.
Ikem beats you? I thought he was in the hands of Neche.
Yes. I went to Neche to plead with her to free Ikem. But she ordered Ikem to beat me.
You know, going to Neche was the last thing you should ever think of. You know how wicked that woman is.
What do you want me to do, I can't stay without my Ikem. What do you want me to do? And our marriage is in 6 days' time. I can't live without my Ikem.
I'm sorry. Please stop crying. You know crying will only make you fall sick. Please.
Just tell me, I need to save my Ikem. Help me, I need to save my Ikem. I can't live without him. Please help me. I need my Ikem back. Please help me. Help me, Ugochi. Please help me.
See, the only thing we can do right now is to keep on praying for someone to come and help us. Please. You have to stop crying so you won't fall sick.
Thank you. Thank you for the words of encouragement. Thank you.
Please, my love, just stop crying. Let me take you home, please.
Thank you.
Please, let me take you home. Before you fall sick. Please. 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 You have to be strong.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Amuche.
Leave me alone now. What is the meaning of this? Eh?
Amuche, what was that for?
What are you trying to do? Eh? What's the meaning of that? What are you trying to do?
What do you mean, what are you trying to do? I'm trying to do what your husband does to you. Eh? Look, come, let's go inside.
Leave me alone, Biko. Eh? What has come over you? I'm asking you.
Amuche, why are you shouting now? Eh? Why are you shouting as if you've not done it before? Eh? Come, let's go inside and finish. Now that your foolish husband is no longer...
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! I'm Biko. Leave me alone. So, you went and reported my husband to Neche. Simply because I refused sleeping with you.
Ogbonnaya? What were you expecting? I reported you to Neche so that your husband will officially become slave to Neche while I enjoy it.
Oh, leave me alone!
Let's go inside.
You see how you dey Biko? Eh? Wait though.
Neche, can we just go inside and do this thing, please?
I can see that you are not only insane, but you are foolish as well. Okay, now that you have succeeded in ruining my marriage, are you happy now?
Eh?
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy. I'm happy. Look, I'll be very happy. I'll be very happy when I eventually sleep with you and make you mine. Let's go inside. Let's go inside so that people will not see us.
Okay. You think I'll be foolish and stupid enough to fall for you because my husband is not around, just like other maidens? Eh?
Amuche,
it will never work for you.
Amuche, why are you always saying this thing? I've told you before. You're not foolish. Eh? You're not foolish. That is why I came to your hut. If you are foolish, you would have come to my hut.
Eh?
Yes. You cannot chase me out of this compound. We must go and finish what we started.
Ezioku.
Yes.
Okay, just watch me do that.
Amuche, should I come? Amuche, you think I'm afraid of you? You must be joking. Should I come inside? Eh? Amuche?
Are you going to get out of my compound right now? Or do you want me to empty this bullet on your head? Eh?
You think I'm afraid of you?
You think I'm joking with you, right? You think I'm joking?
Get away.
Okay. Now get out of my compound. Get out and don't show your ugly face to this place again. Leave! I said get out.
I will leave.
Get out!
I will leave. I will come back.
If you're called.
Fear
again.
No man will reject me in this kingdom. You can't find answer.
What are you doing in my compound this morning?
Is that how you greet people? Don't you know when you see others, you greet them?
I only greet people that are worthy to be greeted.
Are you saying I am not worthy of your greetings?
As if you don't know. Now say whatever you came here to say and leave my house. Yes.
I heard what happened to your husband. He came, so I
Came to mock me. You came to laugh at me for losing Ikem to Neche, right?
No. Why would I laugh at you? I mean, a beautiful maiden like you, there's no way I can mock you. I only came to console you. Okay?
And you want me to believe that? Do you know how hard it is to lose someone you love to the hands of the wicked ones? Do you?
Come here. Come. I understand you, okay? Please don't cry.
What are you trying to do?
What does it look like I'm trying to do? I'm trying to console you.
Console me? You think I don't know you're working for Neche? Huh? Okay, I know your plans. You want to take our husbands so that you will sleep with us.
No, please don't involve me in that. Look, I am a nobleman of this kingdom. I am sincere.
Now take your sincerity and leave my compound. Right now. Your charm will never get to me. Leave now.
And who is talking about charm here? Huh?
You disgust me. Leave my compound right now.
Why are all these maidens saying this to me? Why are they proving hard to get? My name is Osondo. No maiden of this kingdom can ever prove hard to get to me. I'll come back for you.
What do you think you're doing?
Sorry, are you talking to me?
How dare you walk past me without greeting?
And who said the man is supposed to greet the woman first? If I don't greet you, can't you greet me?
And you were challenging me.
No. How can I challenge you? You are a priestess. I'm only telling you the truth. Do you understand?
You know, since the last time I saw you, I have been eager to see you again. I want you to be my man. And what is funny?
Sorry. You say you want me to be your man. What happened to all the men in your heart that you've succeeded in enslaving? What happened to them?
You said it yourself. They are my slaves. I want a man I can call mine.
Let me advise you. If you're looking for a man that you will call your own, continue searching, continue looking for him. Because me, Emeka, can never be your man. Yes.
How dare you turn down my offer?
And if I do, what will happen? What? Oh, you cast a spell on me just the way you do to other men? And you make me follow you for that? I will never follow you with my clear eyes. It's not possible. So let me tell you something. No man wants you, no man. And that is why you're using powers on them to catch them. Let me tell you something. Just try break that spell. Just break it and see what will happen. They will kill you. They will strangle you with their bare hands. You wicked and evil woman. Rubbish. And as for you, just here carrying leaves falling up and down.
Great one. Please permit me to deal with him.
Come here. Closer. Come! You need me to tell you that. Fool! Now pick that up. Let's leave here.
I'm sorry, Great One.
Great One, you need me to do that. Local thing.
going to leave like that without asking of me, without calling out to know if I am around?
I'm sorry, I thought you were sleeping, and I do not want to disturb you.
You're never a disturbance, Emeka.
Are you serious?
Yes. Come sit.
No, please. No, please. I want to tell you something. And your response will determine whether I will sit or not.
Go on.
Zaram. I have feelings for you. But I'm not too sure. That's why I didn't say anything. And I was scared maybe you're going to be angry with me or punish me. But right now, I don't care what the outcome will be. Zaram. I love you. Yes. I feel so fulfilled and accomplished whenever I'm with you. Please. Give me the chance to prove how much I love you. Please.
I'm sorry. But I do not have such space in my heart for you.
Zaram, why? Did I do anything bad to you?
Oh yes, you did something terrible.
And what is this terrible thing that I did to you?
How come it took you so long to know that you have feelings for me? I mean, I have loved you for the longest. I was waiting for you to come out and say you love me too. Yes, I was harsh, but that was part of the plan.
Zaram, you've been in love with me? Oh, I couldn't walk away because we were destined to be. Yes. But why didn't you tell me?
Were you expecting the greatest and strongest priestess of all times to come tell you she was in love with an ordinary man? Come with me. Come sit. Sit down. I love you so much. I do. Come here.
I love you too.
You're sweet. Hey!
Why?
I mean, looking at you, you always appear to be quiet and calm. No one would know that you are a tigress when it comes to Igbo.
You can say that again, eh? But for now, you need to get going before someone sees me.
Who's going to see you? Huh? Who's going to see you? Are you afraid of being seen when your husband is no longer with you?
I just don't want any of my friends to see me with you.
Why? Okay, why? Did I do anything wrong?
They believe that you are joining hands with Neche and the wicked men to take our men away from us. And me, I supported them. So I do not want them to see me with you. They'll be disappointed. Eh?
Oh. Okay. It's fine. It's alright. You can go. I understand. Before you go, you have to be one. Bless my day with the hug.
No.
Greetings, the most beautiful and the prettiest of all the maidens.
What is it?
You should at least respond to my greetings. I mean, don't you know that it is an insult for you not to respond to the greetings of the most handsome man in this kingdom?
And do I have to remind you that it's not every greeting that you answer?
Why is everyone saying this?
Because you're a fool and that's the truth.
Look, I have not come here for us to banter words. I have not come here to argue with you.
Then go ahead and say what you want.
The truth is that you know you're a very beautiful lady. In fact, you're the prettiest of them all. I want us to have something.
Who are you? Are you mad?
Yes, I am mad. In fact, I am madly in love with you. I mean, is anything wrong with that?
Did you take something before leaving your house or something?
Look, I am very, very serious. I am seriously in love with you. I love you.
May the gods forbid this evil from befalling you. Now get out of my way.
Look. I know that you're a priestess. Okay? I know that you're a priestess and I am not. But that doesn't stop anything. I mean, that doesn't stop us from falling in love, getting married and having our children.
How dare you vomit that abominable words?
What do you mean by that?
Do I look like all those ladies that you walk in and out with?
Is anything wrong? You mean prophet?
Shut up! I'm a priestess of morality. And I will not have you stand here and bring curse upon yourself.
Please, don't go to that.
Listen, the next time that you stand in front of me and say this rubbish, I will ask the gods to strike you dead.
What is going on? What does it look like what's going on here? What do you mean what's going on here? Did you see I was talking to her before you carry your useless self?
My love.
Did you try anything funny?
How dare he? Take care of me.
What is going on? What did I just see? Did you actually, did you two hug each other or my eyes are seeing you? Hey, what just...
What is it? I cannot remember asking for you.
I have something to discuss. I have something to ask you.
What is that? Be fast because I do not have time.
I have been trying to get the attention of Sarah. It's not working.
Sarah?
Yes.
So all the ladies in this kingdom are not enough for you. Now you want Sarah?
Means I am not talking about other maidens, I am talking about Saram. All I want is to be able to sleep with her. Everybody is here. Then we should go try first. How are you asking me to go try my luck when you know I am going to fail? That's why I need your help.
What do you want me to do? I cannot do anything except you want me to fight Sarah unnecessarily.
No. You do not have to fight her. You don't have to fight her by pain of way.
What do I have to?
Very simple. All I want from you is to turn that idiot. That man that you love, I want you to turn him into one of your slaves. That's all I want.
Sarah is a
Yes, my love.
And who is this unlucky man?
You call him Emeka. One idiot. One loafer. The son of the need to know.
Emeka!
You know him?
Do you know I have tried my best to get Emeka to look at me, to fall in love with me? I've been trying to act hard to get. He's not even scared I can turn him to myself.
That makes us silly. That settles it. We both are hunters. You want Emeka? While I hunt for them.
That is what is I will see who you are. Watch your back.
Sam, watch your front. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, the King of Queens. Thank you very much. The beautiful priestess, the queen of queens, the greatest priestess of our land. Greetings.
Greetings to you too.
You responded to my greetings. Thank you. I am very, very excited. I am very happy. Thank you.
What is it? Go ahead and speak, for I have an important meeting to attend to.
With that fool, Emeka. I'm sorry, with Emeka. Right?
How dare you?
No. It's just surprising. I mean, it's surprising how you and Emeka, the love story. I mean, how you two are just loving each other. Oh, when did it start?
Well, I do not have time to explain anything to you. Not even myself. Now, excuse me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to block your path. Please, I do not want you to turn me into a cat or a dog.
What is it?
My priestess. The most beautiful priestess in our land. I want to tell you what I have in my heart for you. I want to tell you everything.
I am listening.
Well. The love of my youth that has refused to see me.
And to what do I owe this visit?
Still no greetings. Well, I will forgive you, because you will soon be mine forever.
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up your mouth! What do you mean by I stay there years forever? You forgive me. Let me tell you something I don't know. Me, Emeka, I can never be with a demon like you. Never! That will be over my dead body.
You have the habit of making me angry. But I will let that slide and focus on the order of the day. By the power bestowed on the staff, I command you, Emeka, to be mine and mine forever.
What are you doing to me?
What else is not to make you?
Neche, I command you to stop! Neche, stop!
I will not stop!
I can never be with someone like you! You are...
Get quiet! You are mine and mine forever. Now let's see if you're finally mine. Chukwuemeka, son of late Onowu, I command you to go on your knee and kiss my feet. Henceforth, you will mine forever. Now get up and walk with me.
Of course, it is obvious that you have nothing important to speak of. Please, get out.
Actually, Princess, but loving you is something important. I mean, it's something reasonable. What is it? Are you okay?
Neche, how dare you? How dare you touch my man?
Are you seeing her trying to turn Emeka into one of her slaves? I can't see anything.
So that was your plan? Your plan was to distract me so Neche can cast a spell on my man?
No, my princess, no, please, don't involve me. No, my princess, please, hear me out first. Now, let me explain to you first. Let me explain. Hey.
Don't you dare stand in my way next time. Neche. Neche! You were so fast, but you cannot outsmart me. This is what you get when you play with my lover. I want you. Listen. Just in case you want us to fight like this.
Emeka, are you there? Emeka? Yes, are you there? Take me home.
Not while I'm alive.
Emeka, take me home.
You have to pass through. Get it.
Zaram! She will regret this. She will suffer in my hand.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. What happened? I feel somehow, I feel strange.
Thanks to the gods. I almost lost you to Neche's cage.
Neche? You mean Neche succeeded in casting a spell on me?
But fortunately, I was fast enough to get you.
Thank you. Thank you so very much. Thank you. I wondered what would have become of me if you did not show up.
You don't need to thank me. I will always save you. I am always here for you.
What was that for?
Oh, what do you mean, what was that for? Are you not happy I tickled you? Come. Huh?
You must be out of your mind. To think you can walk into my compound and tickle me and expect me to clap for you.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for that, okay? I'm sorry I tickled you. I'm sorry.
So, what are you doing here anyway?
What are you doing here? I came to see you now. I came to see your beautiful face. Oh!
When did that one start?
What do you mean when did that one start? Are you not happy to see me?
Why will I be happy?
Look, Amochi, stop being hard. Stop being hard. I know that you always want us to go inside and do something, but it's just that you're afraid that your friends will see us. I know. You see? You see? Look, I also want to help you. I want to help you and treat you like your husband does, but stop pushing me away now. Stop being hard on me. I know that you want it. Let's go inside.
Of course I want it, but that is not the right thing to do.
Amuche, stop saying that. How can you say that's not the right thing to do? No one will find out. No one.
Are you sure?
Amuche, no one will find out. My name is Osondo. I do not talk anyhow. I will not tell anybody. It's just me and you.
But what if they find out?
They will not find out. Look, we just do it now. We just do once. I promise you. You come back and look for me.
You're very funny. Stop it.
I will stop with you.
Are you sure? Okay, I accept.
You accept? You
accept? You said you wanted to speak to me about something.
Yes, I do. Yes.
Okay, I'm listening.
It is concerning how to bring Neche down. I have a plan. I have an idea, yes.
Okay. I'm interested. Please speak.
I'm not too sure if this will work out. See, I noticed Neche's power lies on a holy egg. Yes. So I think if we can steal this egg and break it, then we will succeed in destroying our powers.
An holy egg.
Yes.
But that is almost impossible. Neche is very smart, and try to get that. It wouldn't be easy.
I know, but I have all this planned out. Yes, I do.
Okay. Please tell me. No. You will do no such thing. But listen. Don't worry. I will figure it out myself. You don't have to get involved.
That is the only way to bring Neche down.
And I'm telling you, if Neche finds out our plan before you succeed, she will kill you. Listen, you don't have to get involved, like I said. I would do it myself.
Zaram, I don't mind taking the risk. Yes, to save everyone. You don't understand. Neche is evil. She is very evil.
Is there no other way for you to do this? I do not want to lose you.
You will not lose me. Okay? Instead, we will bring Neche and our evil plans down.
Emeka, what is it? What are you doing here?
Please forgive me. Please, I beg you. Please forgive me for not saving you from the hands of Zaram when she attacked you. Please. I did not know when she disappeared with me. Yes. Please.
What are you saying? Zaram came here and took you away. Why are you here talking against her?
Because you are my master. And you will forever remain my master. Yes, that is why I'm telling you the truth. Please. I really dealt with her before running away. Yes, I made sure I dealt with her. See, she couldn't do anything to me because she's in love with me. See, yes.
Are you trying to tell me that Almighty Zaram could not break the spell I placed on you? This is good. Get up.
I should get up.
Yes.
Thank you.
The only way I would believe what you just said, if you kiss my feet.
Is that all?
What are you waiting for?
One or the two?
Get up.
Thank you.
Come to me.
Thank you. Thank you, my master. Thank you, my master.
Emeka, why are you not eating?
And how many times have I told you that I'm not hungry?
Then why are you standing here? You're blocking our fresh air.
Come and eat, oh.
If you like, eat. If you like, don't eat. They are monitoring me. Eat your food.
You are missing, no?
Thank you, eat. Make sure you finish the food. Finish it. Thank you.
Take it easy now. You want to finish it?
I want to eat
You no, I will drop this thing now.
Keep looking at me now.
What is happening here?
Since you don't want to eat, you prefer talking, so allow me to eat.
What is this?
Great one, we are sorry. We don't know what happened. Yes. Yes, sir.
Where is Emeka? And why is he not sleeping with you?
He was here with us when we were eating.
Yes.
Although he refused to eat.
He was standing.
Yes, he was standing here.
Hold on. Emeka did not eat this food with you. I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Yes, great one.
That means he has escaped? Because... Are you telling me that Emeka was here and he did not eat the food with you?
Yes. Yes, great one. What are you thinking, great one?
Hold on. Does it mean Ikem has escaped? He poisoned your food so he can escape. But why would he do that? If he wanted to escape, he would have just done that. Why poison your food? I hope it's not what I'm thinking. I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Hey, are we going to die? We will not die. A poison. 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 A poison. Wait. Poison. Poison. Hey.
I can remember it was here. It was here. Nobody can touch my holy egg except me. Who tampered with my holy egg? What did he do? Did he? No. My egg. It was here.
Are you looking for this?
Yes. That is my holy egg. Please, don't tamper with it. Don't joke with it. Let me have it.
I know it's yours, but it is no longer yours.
Listen, do not joke with that egg.
I'm joking. You can come have it.
No! My egg! Why did you do this? Do you know how long it took me to get this egg?
I wouldn't have done this. But your evil deeds in this village, I can no longer stand.
And you think you can break me by breaking my whole thing? You just stepped on me. What have you done? Erika, look at me. You have to be strong for you. Okay? You must be insane to think you can defeat me. Go.
Go.
the descendants of the four ruling elements. Today, I warned you that you wouldn't listen. Please, I will change. Papa, love me. Zaram! 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 Zaram, give me back my eyes! Zaram! 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 Give me back my eyes, Zaram! Zaram! Give me back my eyes, please. Please. I need my eyes, please. I beg you. I beg you. Give me my eyes. My eyes, please. Please, Zaram. Zaram! Zaram! Please give me back my eyes, please. Zaram! Zaram, give me back my eyes! Zaram! Zaram, give me back my eyes! Beg you, pardon me. Zaram, give me. I will change. I will change. Give me my eyes, please. Just my eyes. Give me Emeka, I hear your voice. Zaram, please, I beg you, my eyes. Emeka, Zaram, give me back my eyes. I beg you, please. Please, Zaram, my eyes. Please, Zaram, give me back my eyes, please.
Neche's compound? Yes, now. This is Neche's compound. But how did we all get here? I am confused. I can't remember coming here. Since we don't know how we got here, let's go back to our homes. Yes. This compound is full of evil. Let's go. Wait. My wife. Yes. This compound is full of evil. My wife. Yes. Let's go back. Neche.
Are you for real? You're not leaving again. I miss you. I can't live without you.
We are finally free from our cage.
Are you serious?
Yes. So I am here with you, and I will never go back again.
Promise me.
I promise. I missed you.
I miss you.
I missed you so much.
Same here. Let's go home. Same here.
Osandu, are you alright? Wait, did you have a fight?
Papa, why did you not tell me? Papa, why did you not tell me? You should have told me that Neche have released all the men that she captured now. You should have told me.
Neche, how can she release the people under her captivity? Don't tell me that Ogbonnaya is amongst the people she released.
Papa, why are you acting as if you're not aware? Why are you acting as if you're not aware? Papa, you should have told me. Papa, you should have told. I am your son now. You should have told me. You should have told me. No, imagine. Ogbonnaya caught me. He caught me while I was doing the thing with his wife.
And Neche cannot release Ogbonnaya. Without telling us. No. Neche cannot try that. She can't release anybody without telling us.
Pastor, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to her. I'm very sure that even all the men, I think all the men, they've run away. They're no longer under her custody. They're no longer under her spell, Papa. Because Ogbonnaya is even talking with his right senses. He's talking with his right senses, Papa.
Something is wrong somewhere. Hey! Neche!
Papa, come and massage my waist. Come and massage my waist and ask him Neche.
Shut up. I cannot massage your waist because I'm not your woman. Ah! Neche!
No. I cannot be blind. I am Neche, the most powerful, the undefeated. I cannot be blind. I cannot be blind. No. Hey, Neche Makwaro. Jay, somebody help me. Oh, I cannot be blind. Hey.
Obim, is this you? Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Are you fine? Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine.
So this is you? Oh, I missed you.
I'm back.
Oh, thank the gods you're back. I've missed you so much. I've missed you.
I missed you too.
Please come and sit down. Come on, get out. Sit down. Let me carry it. Are you serious?
Egusi?
Yes.
I've missed your food.
What happened?
Let me eat first.
Zaram, you have to calm down.
Do not ask me to calm down. I will not calm down until I bring down every elder that is trying to bring me down.
If that be the case, then go ahead with your plan.
Oyeka! I need help!
Neche!
Who is that?
I cannot believe that the almighty Neche is now powerless.
Oyeka, is that
you? You cannot swim even when there is no water.
Is that you, Oyeka? Is that you?
Did she also make you deaf? It is me, Osondo.
Hey, also, huh? Thank you for coming for me, oh. Thank you. We are the elders.
Which elders?
The elders.
They've all run for their lives.
Why would they run and leave me like this? Why? I protected them.
Niente, that was then. That was when you had powers. Now you are powerless. They are protecting themselves.
Osondo, please help me. I need your help. I beg you. Help me.
How can I help you? How do you expect me to help you? Look. The only help I can render to you is to bring food for you. Okay? But to go and fight Zaram, no, I cannot do that. I cannot fight Zaram. You know I cannot do that.
Osondo, but I was there when you needed me. Oh, you have to help me.
And that is why I said I am going to be bringing food for you. At least you'll be eating before you die.
Che! Neche Makwara. Also, please help me. Osondo, please help me. Osondo, please help me.
It's okay.
Neche Makwara. Help me, please.
Easy. Take it easy. You cause this on yourself. Just keep going. Keep going straight. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Go. Easy.
Also, thank you. Thank you for coming for me.
Don't worry. I will go and look for something like that for you so that you eat.
Okay. Child, I cannot be blind. I refuse to be blind.
My husband, I thank the gods that I have you back. I thought I have lost you.
I thought I would die in Neche's hand. I never thought I would ever see you again. But thanks to the gods.
But you're telling me that you're a descendant of one wizard that has ever lived. Eh?
That was then.
Hey! My love, is that how you do? You did not tell me that my co-husband is back. Eh? I came to welcome you.
Huh? You called my wife your love.
My love, tell him now. You don't want to tell him. Should I tell him myself?
Who is your love? What are you even doing here? Eh?
Explain to him and tell him that he's his second husband.
Amuche, what is going on? Because I'm lost. He called you my love.
No. My husband. It's not what you think. Oh,
What is not what you think?
Just
tell him everything. Or do you want me to tell him myself? You know I don't talk anyhow. I'll just go straight to the point. Since she doesn't know how to put it. My second husband. You know, ever since you were captured by Neche, I mean, you became a slave. I have been the one taking care of your wife here. I have been the one certified. In fact, I've been taking care of the country very well. I'm not just doing it anyhow. I'm taking it gradually. My love, tell him. Tell him the major one, the one you told me that cannot want it. Tell him.
Wait. Let me get it clear. You mean you've been sleeping with your son all this while I was captured?
No. Don't use the word sleeping. I have been the one taking care of her. As a matter of fact, she even told me one. She said you don't know how to do it. Your this thing is like this. You are the one doing the main thing.
No. No, my husband.
Tell him the truth too.
Get out! Just leave!
Wait.
Okay.
Amuche.
It's not true. It's not true.
It's not. If you touch me,
I will just go. I will just go and allow you to. But don't forget the other part you told me.
Just leave.
I cannot believe this. I cannot. How did that end up with you? Amuche, all this while you've been sleeping with Osondo.
It's not what you think, oh.
What should I think?
It's not
What
like
should
that.
I think, Amuche?
Are you not tired?
No, I'm not tired. Let's go one more inside.
No.
The one. Let's go one more inside.
The next 1 hour. I want to rest. You're killing me, please.
Let's go inside.
1 hour time. Let me rest. The one you just finished already. I'm even tired.
What am I saying?
Is that you?
What did I just see now?
How did you escape Neche?
So this is what you have been doing behind my back?
Mbakwa, Obina, I can explain.
No, will you shut up? Explain what? How dare you come on? What are you explaining to people? How dare you?
Neche, you mean he did not sleep in your hut yesterday?
He did not. Amaka, he left since last night and he never returned. I have no idea where he could be or how to find him.
This is really serious. But you know you did not try at all. You know. Eh? How could you have allowed Osondu to have you? Eh? Just like that.
To be sincere, I don't know what came over me. It was as if I was charmed. I don't know.
I cannot imagine how hot he is right now.
Amaka, it was never my wish to hurt him. I just wish I can go back in time and make this right, but I cannot.
It's okay, you've cried enough. It's okay. It's okay. You've cried enough. Let's go.
It is not enough. I don't think he will forgive me.
You don't have to conclude yet, eh? Just look for him and apologize. I believe he will give you a second chance. Let's go.
He will not forgive me. I don't think he will forgive me.
He will. Just try first. Eh? Eh? Look for him and apologize. I believe he will give you a second chance. Oh?
Amaka, you will not forgive me. Please help me.
Look for him. Crying will not solve anything. Eh? Let's go. But what if you go meet Zaram? Eh? Zaram, the priestess.
Are you sure? Okay. Then, please, let's just get going. Please, I just need my husband back, Amaka. Please, I need him back, please.
It's okay. It's okay. You get
I need him back.
He will come back. It's okay. Stop crying. Let's go.
And this is not what you should be doing, Chinedu. This is not what you should be doing. You have to face reality instead of running away.
Obinna, you do not understand. How do you expect me to face her after everything she did to me? Listen, I just want to stay away from her because right now she disgusts me.
You don't have to say that. You don't have to. Listen.
What do you mean by that?
The fault is not entirely hers. Neche and Osondu manipulated everybody.
Wait, you have a point.
Neche turned us to our slaves and gave us the go-ahead to sleep with our wives. It's obvious. How can our wives foolishly follow him if not that he used charm? Think about it.
You are making sense. There's no need of getting angry.
You have to forgive her, Chinedu, so both of you can start again. Start again. Eh?
Thank you so much.
Neche turned us to our slaves and gave us under the right to sleep with our wives. Go and forgive your wife. Forget it. Just forgive your wife.
I will do that. Thank you so much.
Gods of our land.
Oh, Obim, please now. Forgive me, please. Believe me, I don't know what came over me. I just saw myself doing it against my will.
Shut up! I said shut up! I saw you with my own two eyes.
Obim, I was trying to stop him.
How dare you lie to me?
I was trying to stop him, but I was forced to.
I thought you loved me, but it's obvious you do not.
Mbakwa, don't say that, please. I love you, my love. Please, Obim, Biko,
Then why did you allow someone to touch you? Why?
Honey, I couldn't control myself. I missed you, especially at night. I was craving for your touches, so I allowed my best part to take me, please. And I gave in to Osondu. I still love you, please, despite. I still love you.
Can you listen to yourself? You missed me. That was why you allowed Osondu to touch you. Even when you know I'm in a cage, I was caged by Neche.
Because I'm sorry. It's not going to happen again. I promise, please.
Yes, it will not happen again. Because you are leaving my compound.
Again? What?
Yes, you are leaving to go be with Osondo.
I am not leaving this house. Have you apologized for sleeping with Neche? What do you mean by that? Eh? Do you think I don't know that you slept with her? What is it? Talking easy?
What do you mean?
What I mean? Okay. I know that you slept with Neche. And I know that she charmed you. But it hurts me, your wife. And I do not want to imagine how many times she used you to satisfy herself. It hurts me. Do you know how I felt?
But I wasn't in my right senses.
So do I. I'm not in my right senses too. I want to ask you something, Obina. Have I ever cheated on you? Have I?
You have not, but...
But what? Obina, please. I am sorry for what happened. But can we get back to the way we were? Please, let's forget about this and love each other the way we were, please.
It's okay. I'm sorry if what Neche did to me hurt you. I'm so sorry.
I'm also sorry. Please, forgive me. It won't happen again, I promise. Please.
It's alright. Let's forget about what happened.
Obimo! Thank you, my love. I promise it's not going to happen again.
Ugochi. It is good I met you both here.
Ugochi, what is the problem?
There is no problem, but we are about to solve a problem.
Then what is it now, Ogini?
I just found out that Neche is not dead. She's powerless and blind.
Cherugodu, wait. So Zaram did not kill her? Eh?
Zaram doesn't kill. She only makes people powerless.
But that's not what we want. Eh? Neche has dealt with us several times. So I need her dead. I want her dead.
Sadly. Eh? I mean, she cannot be alive after all the atrocity that she has committed in this village. She needs to die, yo. Eh?
Since Zaram did not kill her, so we'll kill her ourselves.
Eh? So what are we going to do? Can you hear me one?
Zaram! Zaram, are you around?
Oh. What is it?
Thank God.
Are you missing me already?
Zaram, yes, I miss you, but that is not why I'm here.
What is the problem?
All the men that Neche captured and their wives, they are heading to our house now to kill her.
What?
Yes. They discovered that she's not dead. So they are going there to make sure they kill her.
No. No one can kill except the gods.
I am telling you that they discovered she's not dead, so they are going there to kill the both of them. I'm not joking.
I have to do something to stop them. Wait, I'm coming.
Chai, also, I cannot believe that the elders I did so much for abandoned me at my lowest. I can't believe it.
What about me? What about me? My father abandoned me when he's supposed to be protecting me. I don't just want to feel heartbroken. I will conquer. I will eventually conquer everyone.
Also, don't worry. When I recover, I will make you so great. I will make you the envy of all men. Trust me.
I cannot wait for that time to come.
Don't worry. I will be okay soon.
Hey, Amusu. Look at her.
Look at her. Wicked witch. And they revolver.
I told you will not last.
So you can cry. Wicked witch. Today is your last day.
Ugly woman. See, for flogging, for telling my man to flog me.
Hey!
Shut up your mouth.
Why are you vibrating?
Shut up your mouth.
Why are you vibrating? What will you do?
Shut up.
Look at her. Almighty.
But you can beg now.
Can you
can beg.
Look at her ugly face. Wait, you're very lucky.
You are lucky.
You're lucky.
You are lucky.
You're very lucky. I beg, let's leave this hospital. I'm also. If rock or name it fear.
Where?
Fear.
Neche. I don't know why you lost your powers. Eh? Would have turned these idiots to dogs or even fowl.
See women that cannot even breathe when I'm passing. They cannot even stand my presence. They are talking to me like that.
It's okay. Eh? It's okay. Just eat. Eat
No, I'm not eating.
Eat small now. Eat small. Biko.
No.
Biko. Eh? Just force yourself and eat.
They used to be very scared of me. What is this?